Hello, question number 56. SW switch closed at time t equal to 0 second. Find time constant t and current IT at t equal to 0 10 second. Solution: as in the given circuit, 5 ampere current source with parallel 1 ohm resistor connected with 1 Henry inductor and switch SW with 1 ohm resistor and 2 inductors of 2 Henry in parallel. So we redraw the circuit and convert 5 ampere current source into voltage source. So total equivalent inductor equal to 2 Henry and total equivalent resistance equal to 2 ohm. So time constant T equal to L upon R equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1 second. Switch SW closed at time equal to 0 second and time constant equal to 1 second. So at time t equal to 10 second, the current IT equal to 5 volt divided by 2 ohm resistor. This is equal to 2.5 ampere. Okay, thank you.